So I thought I'd bring you guys on our fun little journey today. It's currently snowed a boatload here in Ontario. Every time we keep snow plowing or plowing, so green drifts keep going right back to our spot. So my friend's brother been snow plowing for the last 2 days straight. Okay. It's stops, but it's not. Anyway, we would be using our side-by-side to plow, but the tranny broke, and it turns out you need to, go in reverse to plow properly. So they're out there snow blowing, and in the meanwhile, I am here trekking around doing some chores to get food and water to our animals. Normally we'd have trails, you can't make the trails. But our animals are super important. Love them. We need to make sure they're happy in the water. So on this. Okay. When you're snowed in, and somehow I have to walk up this path to get my chickens some food and water. Let's hope the sled works. It might not work. We're gonna try our best though. Wish me luck. Okay, maybe I'll do that. It would be convenient if it stayed on this side though, right?
The problem is you're going on a hill like that.
Oh, now we're really tipping. Okay, we'll come back for the
It's because you're following steps though too.
What?
You're following steps.
Okay, so we've collected the eggs, we have the cow feed, gave our chickens some treats, now we're off to the cows. Luckily my boyfriend and his brother did a fantastic job snow plowing the driveway today. So now we don't have a tipsy toboggan, we have a sturdy one, so hopefully we can make it back to the cows a little bit easier than in the morning. Okay, now to bring the cows feed, and it's a little bit later in the morning, so they're probably going to be a little bit eager. No! My toboggan! That's okay. We got it this far, so we'll just carry the rest of the way. But luckily for me, there's a little tiny path to walk me halfway there, so that's nice. So, now we're knee deep in snow again. Oh. Like my little graph?
It was close enough.
The problem is trying to give them the food though, because they're hungry. Dumped it right on Gracie's head. It's even harder for me. So it might be a little bit later than we expected, but we finally got our food, breakfast, brunch, right? And a full tummy is a happy tummy, right, Timmy? Yeah. Now to the goats. Now, this is probably where a tractor would be very useful, so one day we'll get one, but our fence is snowed in, and we're kind of busy trying to get our way out of the driveway right now, so we can hop it, it's fine. Oh, pretty deep in this too. And then we got our goats who, their fence also looks snowed in. Probably not going to be able to open that either. Luckily we got agility on our side, right? I know, babies, hi! Oh, we're gonna get electrocuted. Kind of got stuck in that fence a little bit. Hi! I know! We made it! Okay, so we'll just hop over this fence. And we'll get the lovely goats some feed. Are you guys excited? Hi, Ron. Okay. We're taking a break with our goat babies because they're adorable. And I'm tired from walking through the snow. Right? Well, we got Maggie trying to eat me. Millie just being the cutest little snuggliest bug face in the world. Right? Squishy face. Squishy face. Oh yeah. Millie loves the scratches. Guess it's time to get up and feed them. Right, Maggie? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Look and say hi. Say hi. Okay. Was that nice? I think it's time to feed them. Are you guys ready? Oh, there's some buckets. And the bucket's very low, which means Chelsea is going to have to really struggle. Okay, let's see that. Okay, we got our food, baby. I can't get down. Watch out. Watch your little foot. There you go. Watch out. Oh. How am I supposed to feed you? You're blocking the house. Guys, how can I feed you if you're blocking? Yes. Oh, you dick, you just pushed me over. Okay, guys. Storm after him. Losers, look who did it. Eat your side, Kiki. It's all the same, sweet girl. Now we got the mamas and the babies. Both happy in bed. You following me, Grace? I'm being followed. Oh, walk with me. She's escorting me out. What a nice gal. Are you a nice gal? Yeah, she's the best. She's the best. Okay, adios, my loves. You still coming? Yeah? What are you doing? They're so goofy. I love them.